In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your engagements with your audience. Firstly, for each one of your engagements, you will have access to a dynamic link, which is account-wide and displays the currently active poll. So, if you stop all polls on your account, this link will show a Stay Tuned page. And if you switch from one live poll to another, the dynamic link will reflect that. This web voting link, on the other hand, is static, and so it won't change its status based on the currently active poll. So, the first way to share your engagement with your audience is by sharing either of these two links with them. Additionally, you can download and share QR codes of these two links with your audience. If you have your own website, you can embed your engagements inside it with the embed code over here. And you can choose whether you'd like to embed the dynamic or the static link. If you have text message voting enabled on your account, you can share the number attached to your account to your audience so that they can vote through text messaging. Finally, you can use the presentation page where your audience can follow the live results of your polls. And on the left side, they'll be able to see the exact ways they can participate. In this case, either through text message voting on this number, scanning this QR code, which leads to this engagement, or by going into digitaljoyengage.com and entering this code for your account.